How black holes end stars. A star is not crushed by a black hole, but rather slowly dismantled by the black hole's tension field. It's not violent destruction, but a rhythmic breakdown. In energy filament theory, when a star gets close to a black hole, the first thing it encounters is not a violent pull, but time itself slowing down. The particles on the surface of the star start to lose synchronization with those in its core. The outer layers slow down, while the inner layers remain faster. This difference creates a rhythmic tearing across the star. Here's a visual analogy. Imagine an orchestra suddenly being pulled into directions. The front rows forced to slow down while the back rows continue at their usual pace. The entire piece collapses in seconds. A star is much the same. It's not torn apart, but dismantled by different clocks. According to energy filament theory, the end of a star occurs in 3 steps. Step 1. Rhythmic collapse. As the star gets closer to the outer critical region, the tension becomes steeper, and the time difference grows larger. The vibrations of the surface and core can no longer align, causing the star's internal balance to unravel like a building collapsing in slow motion. Step 2. Elongation of shape. As the star falls into the black hole's tension slope, it's like sliding down an increasingly steep snow slope. The deeper it goes, the harder it is to maintain its spherical shape. The star stretches out into a long, thin plasma ribbon, not torn, but stretched beyond its limit. Step 3. Rewriting in the destruction zone. Once the plasma ribbon enters the destruction zone, the stable rhythm of its particles is shattered, and it breaks down from familiar particle forms into energy filaments, like fiber optic strands being split into thinner beams of light. These filaments are then pulled into the soup core, becoming part of the black hole's internal energy. The death of the star is not an explosion in an instant, but a 3-step process: rhythm, stretching, disintegration. A black hole doesn't swallow the star. It dismantles it into a language the black hole can understand. The star's end is not darkness, but being rewritten into filaments, and then merged into a deeper, boiling cauldron. Next, in Season 6, we'll explore how black holes rule the universe, starting with how black holes create the illusion of dark matter. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.